You can expect a lot from the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, rear wipers, and power windows. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.